If you want to distinguish or highlight some layers or their objects in the drawing, you can use the command ZFG, where the rest of the drawing becomes gray, and what you have selected remains in its color. First, the Selection Filters tab opens. You can press Escape and continue with a selection in the design, as in the example where a line is selected whose color eventually remains as it was, and the rest of the design becomes gray. With the command ZFGG, the drawing is restored to its previous state. In the next example, a layer filter is used where it is defined to select only those objects that belong to layers starting with E-. So, then the whole design is selected and only the layers starting with E- remain in their color. With the command ZFGG, the drawing is restored to its previous state. In the last example, Escape is first selected in the Selection Filters tab, and then a chair is selected on the screen. All chairs on the same layer remain blue while the rest of the design turns gray. With the command ZFGG, the drawing is restored to its previous state. Thanks for watching.